Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today I am here with my Audi A3 and I'm going to put together a quick video on how to reset the oil service indicator on this vehicle. So to do that, you insert your key into the ignition, turn it to the number 1 position. You don't actually start the engine, and then you pull the right peg there. You can see it says oil change in 8,000 kilometers or 17 days. We don't do a lot of kilometers in this car. And then you pull it again and hold for 4 or 5 seconds. And you can see it's reset. So oil change in 0 kilometers, 0 days. Now, depending on the exact year of manufacture of your vehicle, you may find that it's actually got a separate oil and service counter system in the vehicle. If that's the case, you may find that whilst you've cleared the oil counter, you may find that it still comes up with a service indicator on the dash. If that's the case and you have that trouble, I'll link another video in the description how you can actually solve that problem. So there you go, folks. That's how to reset the oil indicator on your Audi A3. If you have liked this video, do feel free to like, share and subscribe. Until next time, have a good evening.